am Maria Ribal. I'm urologist. I'm from Barcelona. I'm working on the EAU guidelines office. But also I'm involved in Pioneer, so I'm co-leading the WP7 that it's precisely the communication strategy for the Pioneer project. Well, I would say that we are living a very special moment because we already understand that the way we produce recommendations for treat our patients is based on high level of evidence, but there are a lot of data that we can, or a lot of recommendations that we cannot base in this level of evidence because we don't have this evidence, and that probably we can have this evidence precisely analyzing massive data coming from all our patients. So I think that the way we approach the use of massive data on prostate cancer will have a very important final impact on how we treat, how we diagnose, how we follow our patients with prostate cancer. Yeah, you would say, well, what is important to have a communication strategy in a research project of this magnitude? Because the truth is that the biggest work in Pioneer is based on how to analyze data, how to harmonize data, etc. But the truth is that if you do all this work and you don't communicate perfectly this work, then it doesn't arrive to anywhere. So you need to build a proper communication strategy. And for building this communication strategy, you need to take into account different stakeholders and different audiences. It's not the same to explain this project for a scientific community, for the pharma, or for patients, for example. So you need to adapt the way that you communicate your outcomes based on the audience you have in front of you, just for being able that we are reaching all the parts that are really involved in the prostate cancer healthcare, just to take advantage of all the things that I'm sure we will achieve running our Pioneer project. Now, I would say that this is as a final thought, this is a great initiative that was led by Professor James Endo from the EAU Guidelines Office, so that this represents that EAU Global as a scientific society is really committed with a new way of providing evidence, that is the analysis of the massive data, and that this is the way to move forward just nowadays.